Did you know that 78% of Canadians and Americans live paycheck to paycheck? Not because they don't make enough, but because they were never taught how to keep what they earn. So today, I'm putting the ultimate financial health guide to the test, to see if I can completely transform my money game, and maybe yours too. Financial health isn't just about money, it's about control. Control over your future, your freedom, and your peace of mind. Think of this video as your personal blueprint to build wealth, eliminate debt, and finally stop stressing about every dollar. Let's be real. Most people are drowning in invisible financial stress. Credit card balances, student loans, impulse spending, all while chasing a lifestyle that's designed to keep you broke. We're not taught this in school, and by the time we figure it out, we're buried. But here's the truth. The problem isn't how much you make, it's what you do with it. So today, we're breaking down the 4 pillars of real financial health: budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management, in a way that actually works in real life. Let's start with budgeting. Forget old-school spreadsheets. Use the 50-30-20 method. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings and debt. But here's the hack: automate it. If you have to manually decide to save, you won't. Next, saving. You need an emergency fund, at least 3 to 6 months of expenses. It's not optional. It's your financial seatbelt. Then there's investing. This is where your money starts working for you. Use your TFSA for tax-free growth and your RRSP for tax-deferred income. Index funds, ETFs, and dividend growth stocks. These are your silent employees working 24/7. And don't forget debt management. Start with the avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest first. But if you're struggling with motivation, use the snowball. Start small, build momentum, and celebrate every win. Here's the truth that changed everything for me. You don't need to make 6 figures to be financially healthy. You just need to master compound interest. Imagine investing just $500 a month from age 25 to 55. At a 7% return, that's over $600,000, tax-free if it's in your TFSA. That's the power of patience, discipline, and a plan. Financial health isn't built in a week, it's built in habits. And the sooner you start, the sooner you win. So if there's one thing you take away from this video, let it be this. Financial health isn't about being rich. It's about being ready. Ready for opportunity. Ready for emergencies. Ready for freedom. If you learned something new today, share your best money tip in the comments. And subscribe, because next week we're diving into how to build your Canadian freedom portfolio, even if you're starting from scratch. This is Financial Mo, helping Canadians build wealth, protect their future, and take control of their money, one video at a time.